Are you a freelancer, stuck doing repetitive work every day? Imagine if AI could take care of the boring stuff, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. Welcome to AI Boost Hub, your one-stop channel for powerful AI tools, productivity hacks, and smart workflows to boost your freelance game. First on our list is Notion AI. This isn't just a note-taking app, it's like having a personal assistant inside your documents. Need to write an outline, summarize a messy client brief, or brainstorm blog ideas in seconds. Notion AI can do it all, right inside your workspace. And the best part, you don't even need to leave your notes. If you're already using Notion, this tool is a game changer. Number 2 is one you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. But do you know how freelancers are really using it to save hours? From writing cold emails, creating content ideas, translating documents, even solving client coding issues, ChatGPT can do more than just chat. With the right prompts, it becomes your content writer, researcher, and problem solver, minus 24/7 default text. Next up is a tool most freelancers haven't discovered yet. Durable AI. It lets you generate a complete website by just typing your business type. Seriously, I typed freelance video editor, and in under 30 seconds, Durable gave me a clean, working website ready to go live. No coding, no design stress, no long setup. Just type, tweak, and publish. It's that simple. At number 4, we've got Canva AI, and it's more powerful than ever. With Magic Write, you can create social media captions, blog ideas, and product descriptions instantly. Then, with Magic Design, Canva takes your text and builds a full visual concept. Thumbnails, Instagram posts, pitch decks, just drag and drop. No more staring at blank pages. Canva gives you a head start. Last but not least is Opus Clip, perfect for freelancers who create video content. Upload any long video, and Opus will turn it into short, viral clips. With auto-cutting, subtitles, and dynamic highlights, this tool saves hours. You can turn YouTube videos into TikToks, Reels, or Shorts in just one click. If content is part of your strategy, this tool is pure gold. So which of these AI tools blew your mind? Let us know in the comments, and if you've tried any of them, share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Boost Hub, because every week, we bring you new tools, smarter workflows, and ways to earn more with less effort. This is just the beginning. See you in the next video.